Welcome back to Silicophilic. I was editing a Microsoft Word document. Everything looked perfect, but suddenly noticed a blank page at the end. I tried to delete that, however, nothing happened. No matter what I did, that blank page just refused to disappear. Then I found out the real reasons why Word creates blank pages and implemented the best working methods to remove them. Here is what I did. Turn on formatting marks first. Before fixing the problem, you first need to find out what actually is creating that blank page. Open your document, go to the Home tab. Now click the Show or Hide button. It looks like the paragraph symbol, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+8. Word will now display hidden formatting marks such as paragraph marks, page breaks, section breaks. These hidden marks are usually the reason blank pages appear. Once you know what's causing the page, removing it becomes much easier. Delete an unwanted section break. One of the most common causes is a section break. After turning on formatting marks, look for text that says section break or section break, next page or section break, odd page or section break, even page. If that section break isn't needed, click just before it or select the entire section break. Now press delete or backspace. The blank page should disappear immediately. Keep in mind that removing a section break may also merge the formatting of the surrounding sections. If your document has different page orientations or margins, save a backup copy before deleting section breaks. Delete an unwanted page break. Sometimes the blank page is caused by a manual page break. With formatting marks enabled, look for page break. Click just before it, press delete or select the page break and press delete. Word will immediately move the following content upward and remove the empty page. Remove extra paragraph marks. Another very common cause is multiple empty paragraph marks. These appear as several paragraph symbols stacked one after another. Simply click and drag to select the extra paragraph marks, then press delete or backspace. As you remove them, the blank page should disappear. This often happens when users repeatedly press the enter key to move content down the page. Check paragraph spacing. Sometimes large paragraph spacing pushes content onto a new page. Select the text before the blank page, go to the Home tab, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. Choose Remove Space after paragraph or click Line Spacing options. Set before is equal to 0 point, after is equal to 0 point, then click OK. Check whether the blank page has disappeared. Check for page break before setting. Word also has a paragraph formatting option that automatically starts a new page. Select the paragraph just before the blank page. Go to Home, then Paragraph. Click the small dialog launcher. Open the Line and Page Breaks tab. If page break before is checked, uncheck it. Click OK. This fixes many mysterious blank pages that appear before headings. Use Navigation Pane to locate blank pages. If your document is very large, finding the blank page can be difficult. Go to the View tab, enable Navigation Pane. Click the Pages tab, select the blank page thumbnail. Word jumps directly to that page, making it much easier to identify whether it's caused by a paragraph marks, page breaks, or section breaks. Convert the document to PDF. You can get rid of the blank page by saving the document in a PDF format and leaving out the last page. Click on the File tab, then select Save As. Select a location to save the file and then choose PDF for the Save As type. Select Options in the Save As dialog box. Under Page Range, select the pages and then specify your non-blank pages. For example, if page 7 of your document is the blank page, you can type ##39 to get rid of them. Specifically mention pages from 1 to 6. Click on OK and then select Save. So that's how you can remove blank pages that just won't delete in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Office tutorials, Windows tips, and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.